Hello guys, I'm back again with another video, and today we're going to unbox Sakura Kinomoto Junior High Uniform version from series Cardcaptor Sakura. So I like this faceplate a lot. It looks cute. You can definitely use that to some other Nendoroid. I love her wand. I love the pink motif of the box. And actually I bought this from Amazon because she was on sale, but I think she's still on sale up to now. But I bought this Nendoroid like 5 months ago along with Len. And I was surprised that she's still on sale. How crazy is that? But probably people would prefer the other version that she has, which is the one that she wears a costume. But I just basically preferred this Nendoroid, just because this is what Sakura wears. Whoa. Every time. Why is that? She has some nice stuffs in here. See the box, there's nothing in there. Everything is sticky. Throw that away. She looks cute, guys. Wow. Yeah, this one. I'll definitely use this for my other Nendoroids. Wow. Oh, I didn't notice that she has like that white dot on her face. Looks cute. And I love this tail in here. Whoa! No, don't do that to Sakura. That's mean. And there you go. Actually, her uniform is actually good as well. I like her hair a lot. Like this one and this added some extra looks on her hair, which makes her really looks good, looks spectacular. And if you guys would just see the buttons right there, it's gold. It looks really nice in person. And let's check the faceplate. This one, I really like this one. Teddy bear. The head is movable. has wings in it. Oh wow, this one. If you guys would just see, this is transparent, and the star is a little bit gold. Actually, it's gold. It's good. It's long enough, so it's perfect. Nothing cool with that. I'm seeing some other random stuffs in here. The stand, faceplate, and if you guys would just see the bag, there's like a gold lining out there. Looks really good. The hand. Let's try and open it. And the other two is basically hands, so let's change the view real quick. So yes guys, I'm back with another view. Let's check the joint really quick. So this is another view, but the joints are really noticeable if you do that pose. If you lift the hand up high, and it could go all the way to the back. But yeah, the joint is definitely noticeable if you do that. Could only be like that. And let's check the faceplate. There's nothing much going on in here. It's basically the same. I want to try this. Whoa! Isn't she cute? Okay. Let's change the hands. And by the way, guys, this is like not a hard hair strands. It's actually not gonna break, but I would not suggest to like bend it like that. It might, never know, but it might definitely bend. But that is hard due to the hair strand, weird hair strand. Boom! Oh my God, she's so cute. Wow. Let's check this real quick. Hey, she's speaking. I think I'm going to have a new YouTube video profile picture. Yep, she's so cute. Sakura can hold this earlier. Something like that. She's cute, isn't she? Let's change the pose. Change the joint. Boom. She's cute, isn't she? Do it like that. Maybe actually push that in front a little bit so she would look like she's walking. Cute, cute. And last but not the least, let's make her hold her wand. what an elegant Nendoroid. Ooh, I like it. I'm always having a hard time connecting this. Boom! What an elegant Nendoroid. Do it like this. She's cute as hell. And yeah, guys, she's hella cute, definitely. And there's like a little bit of blushing happening on her face, which is really nice. And overall, I like her. She's definitely worth it to get, especially for such a low price, like $30, I think. And yeah, yes, thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe, leave a comment, and don't forget to like my video. And yep, please stay tuned for my next unboxing video, and stay out, guys. Peace!